Hi everyone, I am Praveen Chetty and I welcome you to this video class. In this video class, I am going to talk about the fourth theme in the novel, and that is experience and innocence. So, this novel is prescribed for the uh, first semester BA students of core course and the Mangalore University, and the novel is written by Jane Austen. So, if we can analyze this novel from experience and innocence, so the novel deals with inexperienced and innocent characters who grow into maturity, because most of the characters in the novel are the youths, and these characters have blind spots, and that is because of some kind of prejudice that they have due to their upbringing, and some of the characters are manipulative, and manipulative here refers to um, trying to influence or trying to change things for their own benefit. And there are characters who are hypocrites, who say something and they do the other things, and there are characters who are cruel. And Catherine actually develops from innocence to experience. So she depends on her decision making ability as she goes further in the novel. And initially, she is innocent or sincere or inexperienced girl who lacks judgment due to her bringing up. She was brought up in a home, and and in that home there were only her siblings with whom she can socialize, and she was not exposed to the outside world. So, because of that, she mostly relies on the advice of the elders and the more experienced. And once she starts her navigation or journey to the Bauth society, she learns to know things firsthand. She thinks, or she assumes that in the world no one would be unkind, or no one would be immoral, or no one would do wrong things on purpose, or they would not do things or wrong things deliberately. So it may be because of ignorance, or because of some chance, and that mistakes happen. So that is how she thinks. But she understands that growing up is not just physically growing up, it is also trying to make one's decisions and one's choices. So once she is in the Bath society, when she's exposed to other people, she gains experience, she learns the importance of thinking for herself, and um, and she depends less on others for her decision making. So she assumes um, in the initial stages that Isabella is doing the wrong thing out of ignorance, but later she comes to know that Isabella is a manipulative and a selfish character, and and she does things only for her benefit. So when Catherine comes into contact with John Thorpe, she thinks that he is a gentleman, and um, and as time passes, or as she associates more with John, she comes to know that her judgment is wrong. She realizes that he's a liar and he's an unpleasant companion. And initially, Catherine also thinks that General Tilney is the murderer of his wife because of her reading of Gothic novels, with which she is very much obsessed. But later, she knows that he is not the murderer, although he has got many ungentlemanly qualities. So, this general, uh, who is supposed to be a gentleman, sends Catherine alone to her home when he understands that he is not an high risk, or he does not or she does not belong to a rich class. So General Tilney is very much manipulative and wealth obsessed, and because of Catherine's association with General Tilney, she understands how people are. So she grows from innocence to experience. So in the second part of the novel, she encounters different people, and when she meets different people, we can see that Catherine has become more reasonable. She has grown in confidence. She has become more matured, and wisdom does not just come from the experience that we have, it comes from the lesson that we learn from that experience. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching.